First question. The word computer has been derived from which of the following language? Option 1 Greek, option 2 English, option 3 Hindi, option 4 Latin. And the correct answer is option 4 Latin. Second question. A collection of unprocessed items is called option 1 information, option 2 data, option 3 memory, option 4 reports. And the correct answer is option 2 data. Third question. Which among the following cycle consists of an input, processing, output and storage as its constituents? Option 1 processing, option 2 output, option 3 input, option 4 data. And the correct answer is option 4 data. Fourth question. Which of the following is the correct order of the four major functions of a computer? Option 1 process, output, input, storage. Option 2 input, output, process, storage. Option 3 process, storage, input, output. Option 4 input, process, output, storage. And the correct answer is option 4 input, process, output, storage. Fifth question. Part number, description and number of parts ordered are examples of option 1 control, option 2 output, option 3 processing, option 4 feedback. And the correct answer is option 3 processing. Sixth question. Data or information used to run the computer is called option 1 hardware, option 2 CPU, option 3 peripheral, option 4 none of these. And the correct answer is option 4 none of these. Seventh question. The steps and tasks needed to process data such as responses to questions or clicking an icon are called option 1 instructions, option 2 the operating system, option 3 application software, option 4 the system unit. And the correct answer is option 1 instructions. Eighth question. The earliest calculating device is option 1 calculator, option 2 abacus, option 3 difference engine, option 4 analytical engine. And the correct answer is option 2 abacus. Ninth question. Abacus can perform option 1 addition, option 2 subtraction, option 3 multiplication, option 4 both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is option 4 both 1 and 2. 10th question. Pascaline is also known by option 1 abacus, option 2 adding machine, option 3 division machine, option 4 difference machine. And the correct answer is option 2 adding machine. 11th question. Punched cards were first introduced by option 1 Powers, option 2 Pascal, option 3 Jacquard, option 4 Hermann Hollerith. And the correct answer is option 3 Jacquard. 12th question. Which of the following is known as father of computer? Option 1 Dennis Ritchie, option 2 Napier, option 3 Charles Babbage, option 4 Alan Turing. And the correct answer is option 3 Charles Babbage. 13th question. Analytical engine developed by option 1 Blaise Pascal, option 2 Charles Babbage, option 3 Dennis Ritchie, option 4 Alan Turing. And the correct answer is option 2 Charles Babbage. 14th question. The analytical engine developed during first generation of computers used dash as a memory unit. Option 1 RAM, option 2 floppies, option 3 cards, option 4 counter wheels. And the correct answer is option 4 counter wheels. 15th question. Who designed the first electronic computer ENIAC? Option 1 von Neumann, option 2 Joseph M. Jacquard, option 3 Presper Eckert and John W. Maclay, option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 3 Presper Eckert and John W. Maclay. 16th question. The first computer which provides storage is option 1 EDSAC, option 2 EDVAC, option 3 Mark 1, option 4 ACE. And the correct answer is Option 1 EDSAC. 17th question. First generation computers were based on Option 1 transistors, Option 2 conductors, Option 3 ICs, Option 4 vacuum tubes. And the correct answer is Option 4 vacuum tubes. 18th question. First generation computers used dash languages. Option 1 machine, Option 2 assembly, Option 3 both 1 and 2, Option 4 high level. And the correct answer is Option 1 machine. 19th question. Speed of first generation computer was in Option 1 nanoseconds, Option 2 milliseconds, Option 3 nanomilliseconds, Option 4 microseconds. And the correct answer is Option 4 microseconds. Question number 20. The period of the second generation computers was Option 1 1946 to 1958, Option 2 1940 to 1960, Option 3 1956 to 1963, Option 4 1957 to 1964. And the correct answer is Option 3 1956 to 1963. Question number 21. Time sharing became possible in dash generation of computers. Option 1 first, Option 2 second, Option 3 third, Option 4 fourth. And the correct answer is Option 2 second. Question number 22. Integrated chips or ICs were started to be used from which generation of computers? Option 1 first generation, Option 2 second generation, Option 3 third generation, Option 4 fourth generation. The correct answer is Option 3 third generation. Question number 23. Chip is a common nickname for Option 1 transistor, Option 2 resistor, Option 3 integrated circuit, Option 4 semiconductor. And the correct answer is Option 3 integrated circuit. Question number 24. The third generation computers were made with Option 1 biochips, Option 2 transistors, Option 3 integrated circuits, Option 4 vacuum tubes. And the correct answer is Option 3 integrated circuits. Question number 25. Integrated circuits or chips used in computers are made with Option 1 copper, Option 2 aluminum, Option 3 gold, Option 4 silicon. And the correct answer is Option 4 silicon. Question number 26. PCs are considered fourth generation and contain Option 1 transistors, Option 2 data, Option 3 vacuum tubes, Option 4 microprocessors. And the correct answer is Option 4 microprocessors. Question number 27. Artificial intelligence is an example of Option 1 first generation computer, Option 2 second generation computer, Option 3 third generation computer, Option 4 fourth generation computer, Option 5 fifth generation computer. And the correct answer is Option 5 fifth generation computer. Question number 28. First computer of India is Option 1 Param, Option 2 Siddhartha, Option 3 IBM 370, Option 4 Cray 1. And the correct answer is Option 2 Siddhartha. Question number 29. Which of the following is a small microprocessor based computer designed to be used by one person at a time? Option 1 notebook, Option 2 supercomputer, Option 3 personal computer, Option 4 notebook. And the correct answer is Option 3 personal computer. Question number 30. Desktop and personal computers are also known as Option 1 supercomputers, Option 2 servers, Option 3 mainframes, Option 4 microcomputers. And the correct answer is Option 4 microcomputers. Question number 31. Which of the following is generally costlier? Option 1 server, Option 2 mainframe, Option 3 personal computer, Option 4 laptop. And the correct answer is Option 2 mainframe. Question number 32. Choose the odd one out. Option 1 microcomputer, Option 2 mini computer, Option 3 supercomputer, Option 4 digital computer. And the correct answer is Option 4 digital computer. Question number 33. Which of the following is the smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working? Option 1 supercomputer, Option 2 quantum computer, Option 3 Param 10,000, Option 4 IBM chips. And the correct answer is Option 2 quantum computer. Question number 34. The components that process data are located in which of the following? Option 1 input devices, option 2 output devices, option 3 system unit, option 4 storage component. And the correct answer is option 3 system unit. Question number 35. Which of the following is not responsible for the performance of the computer? Option 1 number of keys in the keyboard, option 2 format of the video graphics board, option 3 memory in the video graphics board, option 4 the clock speed of the processor, option 5 number of cores available in the processor. And the correct answer is option 1 number of keys in the keyboard. Question number 36. What is the brain of the computer? Option 1 keyboard, option 2 mouse, option 3 CPU, option 4 printer. And the correct answer is option 3 CPU. Question number 37. The CPU comprises of control, memory and dash units. Option 1 microprocessor, option 2 arithmetic or logic, option 3 output, option 4 ROM. And the correct answer is option 2 arithmetic and logic. Question number 38. This component is required to process data into information and consists of integrated circuits. Option 1 hard disk, option 2 RAM, option 3 CPU, option 4 ROM. And the correct answer is option 3 CPU. Question number 39. What is the responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer? Option 1 to produce result, option 2 to compare numbers, option 3 to control flow of information, option 4 to do math works. And the correct answer is option 2 to compare numbers. Question number 40. What does ALU in computing denote? Option 1 application and logic unit, option 2 algorithm logic unit, option 3 arithmetic layered unit, option 4 arithmetic logic unit. And the correct answer is option 4 arithmetic logic unit. Question number 41. Processors contain a control unit and a option 1 control unit, option 2 primary storage unit, option 3 input unit, option 4 arithmetic logic unit. And the correct answer is option 4 arithmetic logic unit. Question number 42. The CPU and memory are located in which of the following devices? Option 1 motherboard, option 2 expansion board, option 3 storage device, option 4 output device. And the correct answer is option 1 motherboard. Question number 43. Which is not an integral part of computer? Option 1 CPU, option 2 mouse, option 3 monitor, option 4 UPS. And the correct answer is option 4 UPS. Question number 44. What is the full form of DMA? Option 1 direct memory access, option 2 dynamic memory access, option 3 direct method access, option 4 double memory access. And the correct answer is option 1 direct memory access. Question number 45. Any component of the computer you can see and touch is option 1 software, option 2 peripheral, option 3 storage, option 4 hardware. And the correct answer is option 4 hardware. Question number 46. Which of the following is not hardware? Option 1 processor chip, option 2 printer, option 3 mouse, option 4 Java. And the correct answer is option 4 Java. Question number 47. Which key is also known as toggle keys? Option 1 caps lock, option 2 number lock, option 3 1 and 2 both, option 4 none of these. And the correct answer is option 3 1 and 2 both. Question number 48. In a keyboard, left, right, up, down set of keys facilitates which among the following functions? Option 1 deleting data or modification, option 2 page scrolling to view a document, option 3 launching start menu, option 4 initiating search and help, option 5 controlling RAM or processor execution. And the correct answer is option 2 page scrolling to view a document. Question number 49. Shift, Control, Alt are examples of which among the following category? Option 1 modifier keys, option 2 primary keys, option 3 function keys, option 4 alternate keys. And the correct answer is option 1 modifier keys. Question number 50. What type of device is a computer mouse? Option 1 storage, option 2 output, option 3 input, option 4 input output. And the correct answer is option 3 input.